In this video, I'll quickly show you how to use double line spacing in Microsoft Word. First, select your text or press Ctrl A to select all. Go to the top and click the small arrow next to Paragraph Settings. Under Line Spacing, choose Double, then click OK. The second method, select your text again with Ctrl A, then simply press Ctrl 2. The third method, select your text, go to the line and paragraph spacing icon, the one with up and down arrows, and click 2.0. That's it. 3 quick ways to use double line spacing in Word.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.